You have been seeing different kind of videos on YouTube, from traveling, how to make money, freelancing, and you will see like thousands or millions of views on that particular video. And most especially if you are looking for a way to travel from Nigeria to UK, so you will see a lot of videos that talk about it from Nigerians who are in the UK, Canada, US, or Australia. So there are a lot of ways you can actually use to start a profitable YouTube channel, and in this video I'm gonna share with you different kind of ways you can actually use to start a profitable YouTube channel here in Nigeria. Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? So welcome back to another video, and if you're new to this channel, you can just smash and subscribe button and turn on the bell icon, so anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified. So talking about how to start a profitable YouTube channel, there are actually different ways you can actually use to start a profitable YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk or discuss in details on how you can actually start a profitable YouTube channel. And I want you to take note of this. If you want to start a profitable YouTube channel, I don't want you to make a mistake that I actually made on my own, and which I later regret why I actually made that kind of mistake. So if you want to start a profitable YouTube channel, you don't have to depend on getting Adsense approval on your YouTube channel, because there are different ways or tasks you need to meet up or requirements before you can actually get your YouTube channel monetized. So you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel and 4,000 watch hour. That means 1 hour on 1,000 plays. So I hope you understand what I mean. So you have to get people to watch your video for at least 4,000 hours before you can actually get your YouTube channel monetized. And that is just a probability, but of course at least 90% that if you get all these requirements, your channel will be able to get monetized on YouTube. But if you depend on that way, on the long run you might get burnout if your video doesn't get notified, or your YouTube channel doesn't recommend any of your video on your channel. So you might upload a bunch of videos, and at the end of the day you won't be able to meet up with 4,000 watch hour or 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So another way around, there are other profitable ways you can actually use to start or to make money on YouTube without you depending on making money through AdSense on YouTube channel. So what are the ways you can actually use to make money on YouTube here in Nigeria? So you can actually start affiliate marketing using YouTube. So there are different kind of affiliate program here in Nigeria, just like Jumia, Konga, and other websites like that. So you can partner with them, review some products on the platform, or give or check on some different kind of products, then do a review on those kind of products, then introduce your affiliate link through your video description. So with that, people can actually buy that particular product using your link, and you get a commission on each sales you make. And within that time, you will be able to use that commission to maintain your channel, or maybe to produce a video on the channel. So using affiliate program to make money on YouTube channel is another way around you can actually use to make money on YouTube channels. Another way of making money on YouTube channel is getting a sponsored videos. So how do you get a sponsored video? There are different ways you can actually get a sponsored video, depend on the kind of niche you actually choose. Maybe finance niche, travel niche, depends on niche. There are different kind of niches you can actually use. If you are making a video about freelancing, you can actually partner with Fiverr, Upwork, and refer people to the platform, and you get a commission on every sales or every referral you make. And you can actually use if you are into travel, so you can partner with all these travel agents, and if you get a single referral, there is a commission placed for you. So you can get a custom link for yourself. So you introduce that link through your video description, then once people purchase any service from there, so you will be able to get your commission on that. Another way you can actually use to make money on YouTube channel is reviewing different kind of products or websites. How do you review products or websites? There are tons of products on Jumia, AliExpress, Konga, and other platforms like that. So there are different kind of products on the platform, and also you can outsource or do your source through Instagram and different kind of people who are actually selling products. So once you review their products and you introduce a custom link, or you reach out to the owner of that particular product that, okay, I want to promote your products on my program or my channel, so they will give you a certain product that you can actually use to promote to review that particular product. So you can check on text YouTube channels. There are different kind of channels that review mobile phones. So all those phones, most of the phones, they actually get it for free, and some of them they pay at least 50% or 30% to the manufacturer. Then they give them the phone, they review it, and they own the phone. And also, if they have a custom link, they can actually introduce it through their video description, and they get commission on every sales they actually refer to the product. So there are actually different ways, and there are actually different niche you can actually go into to make money on YouTube channel. So looking at traveling niche, if you have any idea about traveling, so you can actually make a lot of money in traveling. As you can actually see on YouTube, there are different and tons of videos on traveling from Nigeria to UK or any other countries. People are actually interested in watching that kind of video and seeing the process that those people actually went through to get, or to be able to get visa to travel to those kind of countries. So you can actually use that kind of method, even though if you are not traveling. So you can just give tips on those videos. You can actually give the tips about it. Then you can upload the video, and people will be interested in watching it. So you can start video about freelancing, watch different kind of videos, or read articles through Google, then make video on how to start freelancing in Nigeria or anywhere you are in the whole world. So people are actually interested in watching different kind of videos on freelancing. So you can start a video about business, maybe how to start a business, or top 10 business you can actually start with 10,000 naira, or top 10 business you can actually start with 100,000 naira, and you give a tips on what you understand, read different kind of articles on Google, then combine everything together and show your face on YouTube, on your YouTube channel. And if you don't actually show your face, you can actually gather different kind of voltage around, then make a video. So get your script as well and the voice over. So another way to actually make money is starting a comedy. And as you can actually see, there are a lot of people who are actually starting comedy lately. So you see different kind of artists, or should I say artists or comedian on YouTube channel, and most of these movie makers as well, they are actually starting doing comedy like that because it's actually profitable. Everyone wants to watch different kind of comedy videos on YouTube. So they start from Instagram, and now they are all on YouTube channel getting millions of videos. And you know what, they will be getting paid for getting like millions of views on a single video. So that is just for YouTube channel. And if you are lucky to get a sponsor on every video you are making, so that's a plus for you on making comedy videos on YouTube. And you can actually make different kind of get different kind of paid through YouTube, or partnership, or sponsor, or anything. You just make sure you choose a profitable niche. So with that, you're able to spot the right audience who are actually interested in watching the video you're actually making on YouTube. So there are different ways you can actually go into, and you face different kind of stuff once you get started uploading videos to YouTube. And doing YouTube or being a YouTuber, you need to be very consistent, and there are a lot of things you actually face when you are starting. So you don't have to push yourself or force things on yourself. So there will be some times that you get burnt out and you feel like you don't want to make videos on YouTube. So just take some rest, and the next day you can actually get started again. So that is how I actually started to push things here. So, and also there are different opportunities and lots of opportunities you can actually grab being a YouTuber. So lately I've been making video about loan because I noticed that people are actually interested in money lending or getting a loan from different kind of apps. So I make use of that opportunity to make different videos on how to borrow loan with apps, Branch, Fair Money, O Cash, and all that kind of apps. So you can make different kind of videos on that, but on each of these apps, and there are a lot of people who are actually ready to watch that kind of video. I make a video of like, is it 10 minutes or thereabout, and for less than 1,000 of views, so I was able to generate at least $13 on that particular video, which is quite amazing. So imagine making different kind of videos on that. People will be very much interested in watching, and you'll be getting paid without you forcing anybody to watch your video. So these are for you in this video, and if you have any question regarding this video, kindly let me know in the comment section, and I'll guide you through on how you can start a profitable YouTube channel here in Nigeria. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and smash on the like button, and also share to people who you think you might actually like to watch this kind of video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.